This video is about the unboxing of Sony Wireless Rear Speakers. Let's start with the unboxing. First, we unwrap the box, since this was a gift. Then we carefully open the box. On top, you will see the packaging protection. We will call this the documentation box for reference. Next is the adapter box. Then the speakers, wrapped to protect them from damage. Let's check what's inside the documentation box. Inside, you will find the operating instructions and warranty information. Now, let's move on to the adapter box. Inside, you will find two adapters and two cable guides. Next, we unwrap the speakers from their protective packaging. There are two speakers, one left speaker, and one right speaker. We also remove the plastic protection from the adapters and cable guides. Slowly and carefully remove each plastic cover one by one. So, what's inside the box? You will find the speakers, adapters, cable guides, and documents, parts and controls. This section shows all the parts and controls for easy identification. Installation. This shows where to find the wall mounting hole if you want to mount the speakers on the wall. In our case, we place them on top of the counter. This part shows how to store the cable using the cable guide. Just follow what is shown in the video. The video also shows how to attach the cable guide at the bottom of each speaker. Charging. Connect the adapter to the DC input at the bottom of the rear speakers, then plug it into an AC outlet. The battery indicator will blink while charging. Once charging is complete, the indicator will turn off. Next is the connection. We already have the soundbar and subwoofer installed. Turn on the soundbar and make sure it is compatible with the rear speakers. Press the power button on the rear speakers. When the power indicator turns green, the connection is successful. If not, you can connect them manually using the app. Open the app and go to Settings. Select Wireless Speaker Settings. Then tap Start. Choose which rear speaker to set up. You will be asked to press the link button at the bottom of each speaker. When the power indicator turns green, the connection is complete.